train whistle. Toot, toot, chuggin', chugga, chugga. All aboard the good morning train. Are you ready to ride?
Yes!
First stop, brushing station. Auntie, ukulele shakes. Chugga, chugga, clickety clack. The good morning train is on the track. We stop to brush up and down. Shiny smiles all over town. Toothbrush swishing. What do we brush? Kids, our teeth. Don't forget the back ones. See, chugga, chugga, here we go. Off to where the outfits grow. Shirts and socks and shoes to wear. The good morning train goes everywhere. Clothes rustling, zipper zips. What goes on first? Shirt or shoes? Kids shout answer. I can tie my own laces. Chugga, chugga, clink and clatter. Bowls and spoons, it's breakfast chatter. Crunch and munch, the food so yummy. Fuel for the train and for your tummy. Cereal pouring, spoon clinks chewing. What's your favorite breakfast? Kids answer with giggles. I like pancakes. Goodbye station, whistle blows. Off to school the train now goes. We wave goodbye, we're on our way. Ready to start another day. Train whistle chugging fades into the distance. Bye bye train. Bye bye game. Let's ride again. Train is fun to ride. Brush, dress, eat with friends by your side. Toot, toot,